Good morning. This was a really wet night outside. It was raining like hell with a lot of thunder and lightning. And it was really terrible. Thanks God I was indoors. In my new sleeping bag. It was really warm. It's dry. It was not too hot around the feet. And so if it will be like that too if it's a bit colder, which I will know in, let's say, in 4 weeks, then it will be just perfect. So it was a great first night in it. And I already made my coffee, and I have got here my muesli. And I found out if I do the muesli not only with pure water, which I usually do, but water together with orange powder. And I just put a little bit of it in it so that it's not swimming, but just a little bit soaking. It's perfect. It's a vitamin-rich start into the day. Now I read up and down of the news, everything about the death of Queen Elizabeth, and it's really moving and touching, and I'm completely surprised. I mean, I've never been a big fan of kings and queens and monarchies, but I think it's super exciting. It's a rich history. There are so many bad and good things behind here. But Queen Elizabeth, she was always there. My entire life, she was queen when long time before I was born, and it doesn't matter in which terrible change the world has been. She was there. She was clear. She was straight. She was always the same, and she was really a rock in the sea. And sometimes I wished we would have somebody in Germany like that. And now I have got the feeling it will change everything. Of course, not in daily life. Nothing I will feel here, but in somehow it will change a lot. I cannot explain this, and I'm really sad. I'm really sad. I thought, maybe she can do it with, like Queen Man, become 100. But you can see what love can do. And when Prince Philip died, I really thought, let's see how long she will do it. And it was not that much longer. So love is a tool, but love is also a weapon. Now they are together. It was great having her. So it's 10:15, a little bit late, but we had got a long talk with the guy from the house, and it was really very nice. And thanks a lot again for staying there. And now I will heading again in direction of Trieste. As you can see, the weather is not good at all. Let's hope it will not rain, or at least not that soon. The next camping site is 23 kilometers away. I will see if we will reach it or not. I have to follow this road for quite a long time, and at a certain point it will go up the hill, because I have to cross those hills, and I have to go up to 700 meters. We are now at 250 meters, so I have got a little bit work today. So this is the rest of a gigantic viaduct which was completed in 1856. It was really amazing and very unique in Europe. Oh, it starts going up the hill, and it's only 4 kilometers. And there, and there's some thunder. Dieser Straße hier muss ich jetzt ewig lang folgen und irgendwann wird sie auch anfangen anzusteigen, weil es geht über die Hügel hier vor uns, aber es geht immerhin auf 700 Meter hoch und wir sind jetzt gerade bei 250 Meter. Also da habe ich so ein bisschen was zu tun heute. So, das hier ist der Rest eines gigantischen, einzigartigen Eisenbahnviadukts, das hier stand und 1856 fertiggestellt wurde. Wohl einzigartig in Europa. Jetzt geht's los mit der Steigung über diese Hügel da hinten. Naja, es sind ja nur 4 Kilometer. Finally a little bit of rain. It's a long time I hadn't it. Yeah, and if I'm hiking up a hill or a mountain and there's thunder and lightning, I'm always a little bit sorrowed, because with my metal bike being on top of a hill, probably exposed without any trees, oh, not good. Yeah, but well, the universe had got a plan with me, and probably and hopefully not a joke. So, Slovenian street architects, they make it really easy. Take the shortest distance, it doesn't matter how steep it will be. Wow, it's really tough, especially with this weather. It's not nice. And of course, I'm under my jacket, I'm wet from sweating. It doesn't stop. We Germans say we are at the ass, which means I'm half dead. Oh, it's terrible. Hooray! I reached the summit. Oh, thank God. It's a completely nightmare and a completely disaster. The rain got stronger and stronger and stronger. And now I'm in the middle of the forest. There is no cottage, no nothing. There was also in the village no restaurant, no nothing, not even a bus stop I could sit. And in my shoes, I can swimming. I'm soaking wet from sweating inside and outside from the rain. It's getting cold. It's not getting better. The rain becomes worse, and if it would stop just for 5 minutes, then I could build up my tent bed. Raindrops are falling on my head, la la la, and it's not that funny. Oh, fuck it.
Hallelujah. Here in the forest there seems to be some hunters. They're shooting all around us. Yeah, the dog is really in fear. I saw 2 deers with really big horns, yeah, and now I had to change the battery, and I put the full one in, the new one, and no reaction, dead. Yeah. So the second one I tried was working. Then I really hope that it's not broken. Yeah, but it is the way it is. I really don't believe it. Before it was 2.7 kilometers. Then I should be there. And at a certain point, nothing was working anymore. No GPS, no internet, no nothing. And at a certain point, I took obviously a wrong road, or it leaded me to a completely different place. Yeah? And now I'm 5 kilometers away, and I have to hike back. What a fucked up day. Oh, it's really bad, yeah. And I'm in fear that this camping site is also not existing, because Google is not showing me something about it. Yeah, but this other map, yeah, it's and well, the weather is getting better now, yeah. But I'm really tired, yeah. And we already hiked 25 kilometers. There are more, 5 more to go. And then there was this man. He talked to me when I hiked up this really steep road, yeah, and I gave him my card, yeah, and then I received a SMS, and he told me, yeah, he would love to bring me some hot food, hot potatoes, and he included the pictures of it, yeah, and the rain was just finished, yeah, and I said, yeah, that would be really great. Yeah. And now he was writing me that he hadn't got a smartphone, yeah, and I have sent him, Google coordinates and which road and pictures about it and whatever. And he was now driving 10 kilometers around in the forest and couldn't find me. And he just told me that now he must go back home. And it's really bad, yeah, especially if people are doing such an effort, and I really appreciate that a lot. So Roman, if you see that, I would be so glad about hot potatoes, yeah, but well, it shouldn't be, and that's the way it is. I'm really sorry for it, and thanks a lot. So this is definitely a camping site. There is the area for the tents. This is the clamping area, but nobody is here. Only the really evil dog guard almost eating me. Yes, you. Yeah. All the same. I just finished turning up my tent, but unfortunately all my food is in the tent. But thank God we have got here this little cottage and this place to sit inside and outside, so I just wait until it's over. well, and if the Polish group of campers is back and all of them are cute, I will tell them, hello, it's me, Snow White. I ate from your plate. No, they haven't been that nice. So I remained being a gnome and went back into the tent. I tell you guys, never a hot soup was better as now. And before, the hot shower was just amazing. I could shower for 3 hours. It was really a bad day. And tomorrow they say the forecast is also a lot of rain with more than 80%. So I might stay here. Here, there's the cabin. You can sit outside. I've got a good place for the tent. Yeah, I can cook here and, you know, sitting inside or whatever. I've got electricity. It's good. And this one battery is, I think it's really broken. I will open it tomorrow and have another look. Yeah, maybe I find something. And well, then I will see.